Hi guys, my name is George and I want to share with you my newest stop block. I made it yesterday for my fence flower table. It's easy to make and I think it's perfect for what I need. Slide smooth, my T-track. Let me show you. It's perfect tight, doesn't wiggle, doesn't move. I think it's okay. Let me show you what I use for this. Okay, for the project I just use pieces of wood. It's already sanded. I give it a shape with a sander, with a band sander. Okay. For the hole, I use the Forstner bit, 3 different size to look different and also square. I use these things or clamp it to the T-track. It's used for ensemble furniture. And I had to drill a little bit bigger the hole for the heck bowl. I use a 1/4 drill bit for that. And then for this shape, I use a brad point bit 3A. And that's it. I had to sand a little bit here, a little flat to get tied to the T-track. That's it. Thank you for watching.